Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2018 Grom 125 mini sport bike. Fuel injected 125cc 4-speed transmission, beautiful metallic white in color. Only 241 miles on this awesome Grom. Save about $1,000 off the price of a brand new one. This Grom's in perfect condition. Price to sell just $32.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.